13 coolest gadgets every man will appreciate. In a world where technology constantly evolves, the gadget landscape offers a plethora of innovative tools designed to enhance our daily lives. From smart devices that simplify tasks to unique inventions that add a touch of fun and convenience, the right gadgets can truly elevate one's lifestyle. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a DIY aficionado, or just someone who loves practical innovations, these gadgets are sure to impress. Join us as we uncover the must-have tools that can make everyday activities more enjoyable and efficient. Smart battery-heated gloves. Cold weather can put a serious damper on outdoor activities, but with smart battery-heated gloves, staying warm is effortless. These gloves are a game-changer for anyone who loves spending time outside, whether it's for work or leisure. Crafted with a modern design and premium materials, they don't just provide warmth, they do it efficiently. Inside, heating elements are strategically placed to keep your hands toasty, even in freezing temperatures. Indoor golf putting mat. The indoor golf putting mat brings the joy of the green into your home, letting you practice your golf game regardless of the weather. This high-quality mat replicates the feel of a real putting green, allowing you to perfect your putts whenever you want. It's designed to help you improve your technique, accuracy, and consistency, giving you the chance to practice with the convenience of being indoors. The mat rolls out smoothly, providing a realistic feel underfoot, which enhances the experience and keeps it fun and engaging. Mow the Next Generation Razor. Mow the Next Generation Razor is for men who appreciate a well-groomed appearance with minimal hassle. This razor combines advanced technology with a sleek design, ensuring a close, comfortable shave every time. Equipped with multiple blade options and settings, it caters to a variety of preferences, whether you want a clean-shaven look or a more maintained stubble. The razor's design minimizes irritation and nicks, even for sensitive skin, making it an ideal choice for anyone looking to simplify their shaving routine without sacrificing quality. Tagvo Beer Holster. For men who enjoy a cold drink during outdoor gatherings, the Tagvo Beer Holster is a fun and functional accessory. This holster straps securely to your belt, allowing you to carry a bottle or can hands-free, perfect for BBQs, tailgating, camping, or simply relaxing in the backyard. Made from high-quality materials, it's both durable and stylish, fitting comfortably and adding a rugged touch to any outdoor outfit. It's a simple yet clever way to keep your drink within reach without needing a table or free hand. The Ridge Wallet. Streamlining the essentials, the Ridge Wallet is the ultimate minimalist wallet for the modern man. This wallet is designed to hold only what you need, cash, cards, and a few extras, without the bulk of a traditional wallet. Made from premium materials like aluminum or titanium, it's both durable and lightweight, fitting comfortably in your pocket without creating bulk. It's ideal for anyone looking to declutter their everyday carry while still keeping everything essential close at hand. What makes the Ridge Wallet special is its durability and versatility. Tesla Wood Phone Docking Station. The Tesla Wood Phone Docking Station brings organization and elegance to your space, providing a dedicated spot for your phone, keys, watch, and other small essentials. Crafted from high-quality wood, it's designed to keep your belongings organized in style, perfect for a nightstand or desk. Its compact design fits into any space, making it a functional and visually pleasing addition to your home or office. 3M Pro Comms Electronic Hearing Protection. For those who enjoy outdoor activities like shooting, construction, or working with loud machinery, the 3M Pro Comms Electronic Hearing Protection is an absolute must-have. These high-quality earmuffs not only protect your hearing from excessive noise but also feature advanced technology that allows you to communicate clearly in noisy environments. With built-in microphones, these earmuffs enable you to hear conversations and important sounds at a safe volume, while still blocking out harmful noise levels. The STK Multi-Tool. Every man knows the value of a good multi-tool, and the STK Multi-Tool goes above and beyond. This compact, high-quality gadget combines a variety of essential tools into one easy-to-carry design, including screwdrivers, a bottle opener, knife, pliers, and much more. Designed to fit comfortably in a pocket or attached to a belt loop, this multi-tool is incredibly versatile, perfect for handling a range of tasks whether you're camping, working in the garage, or dealing with a household repair. Rack Magnetic Pickup Tool. The Rack Magnetic Pickup Tool is a lifesaver for anyone who's ever dropped screws, bolts, or nails in hard-to-reach places. Equipped with a powerful magnet and a telescopic arm, this tool allows you to retrieve metal objects from tight spots without having to twist and bend awkwardly. It's especially useful for mechanics, handymen, and anyone who spends time working on cars or home improvement projects. This gadget adds a layer of convenience to any repair job, saving time and effort when retrieving lost items. Ego Power Plus Blower / Backpack Blower. For anyone who takes pride in their yard, the Ego Power Plus Blower or Backpack Blower is a game changer. This powerful blower clears leaves, debris, and even light snow with ease, making yard maintenance faster and more enjoyable. Powered by a long-lasting battery, it offers high-performance blowing power without the noise and fumes of gas-powered alternatives. This makes it an eco-friendly choice for those looking to keep their outdoor spaces pristine while minimizing environmental impact. The design of this blower emphasizes comfort and ease of use. Mini Parsec Laser Distance Measure. Accuracy is crucial for any DIY project, and the Mini Parsec Laser Distance Measure takes measuring to the next level. This compact gadget uses laser technology to provide precise distance readings, making it far more reliable than a traditional tape measure. Whether you're measuring a room for new furniture, assessing the layout of a project space, or taking dimensions for a home improvement task, this device ensures accuracy to the millimeter, saving time and reducing errors. Cooltic Laser Level. For anyone looking to hang pictures, shelves, or create perfectly aligned layouts, the Cooltic Laser Level is an invaluable gadget. This level projects a straight laser line across surfaces, helping you align objects accurately without needing to rely on guesswork. It's perfect for home improvement projects, and the laser's visibility makes it easy to use in various lighting conditions. From hanging artwork to laying tiles, this tool takes the frustration out of getting things straight. Star Soldier Luminous Alloy Fidget Spinner. Sometimes, a little stress relief goes a long way, and the Star Soldier Luminous Alloy Fidget Spinner is a fun and relaxing gadget that offers exactly that. Made from a durable alloy, this spinner has a satisfying weight and balance, making it smooth and enjoyable to spin. What sets it apart is its luminous feature. The spinner glows in the dark, adding a unique, almost futuristic feel that's visually captivating, especially in low-light settings. This spinner isn't just a toy. It's a great way to focus or unwind. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.